Hey guys, welcome Technical Beardo here. Today in this video, I'll be talking about one of the useful shortcut on your iPhone. The shortcut is battery. So the shortcut helps you to turn off everything on your device like your Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, okay, lower the brightness, also turn off everything which will consume your battery. So as per your battery condition, you can use it and turn off everything at a single tap. For example, if you see here, it will give you two options, low as well as charged. So if your battery is low, just choose option called low. So it will automatically turn off your Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, okay, lower your brightness and other things. For example, if you see here Wi-Fi, Bluetooth is on, also brightness is very high. So now if I choose low battery, it will automatically turn off your Bluetooth, your Wi-Fi, also lower the brightness, right? And whenever you charge your battery, just choose your option called charged and it will turn on your brightness and other things, okay, as per your choice. So similarly you can add many things. So let me take you to the shortcuts and how to do it and what are the things you can add and remove in the